Hey everybody, it's 4th of July weekend. I'm up with my sister and brother-in-law up in Baldwin, Michigan, spending time with them, enjoying camping. And I'm over at my property. It's a little east of Baldwin, and just wanted to show you how out in nature it is. It's pretty wild here. There are people around, not a whole lot, but it's still pretty wild. A lot of nature. I'm gonna just show you. This is the road that my property is on, and you can see how it's grass covered. Not hardly maintained at all. They do plow in the winter time, but it's not a primary road of their concern, so there's my property. I did put up that no trespassing sign because I had some squatters here that were here for about a month. The last summer. I didn't get up here a lot last year. I had other obligations. Anyway, I'm going to take you to the end here, show you the faded stop sign. Kind of funny, I think. So faded it isn't even right anymore. Anyway, hope everyone is enjoying their holiday weekend. Happy 4th of July, and take care. Be safe. Bye for now.